If we had one piece of advice to offer you from decades of experience, it would be there's nothing more important than a pre-purchase inspection. Using a local certified mechanic to inspect a used car is essential if you want to protect yourself during the process of buying or selling a vehicle. The last thing you want to do is to take a seller's word about a condition of a car, even if the seller is a dealership. They could be outright lying, or they might just not know the truth themselves sometimes. Now, if you're selling a vehicle, a pre-purchase inspection also can help you get top dollar. Well, I'm Caden from Dirt Legal, and today I'm going to tell you why a pre-purchase inspection can save you thousands on your next vehicle purchase. Now, your first question might be, what is a pre-purchase inspection? Now, this is simply a thorough inspection of the vehicle before you make the decision to buy the vehicle. Now, a pre-purchase inspection by an independent third party usually costs about $100 and normally takes less than an hour to complete. Now, you're going to learn about upcoming repairs or maintenance that needs for the vehicle, about the overall safety, and its overall condition. Now, the Federal Trade Commission, or the FTC, recommends having a pre-purchase inspection completed anytime you buy a vehicle, especially when buying one online. Now, that's because a simple step has saved thousands of people from buying a lemon or getting scammed on a car. So you found your next vehicle and you want to get a pre-purchase inspection on it. So what comes in that pre-purchase inspection? Now, during a pre-purchase inspection, the technician is going to look for confirmation on the car's condition, verification that all equipment is functional, scans for electrical or mechanical concerns, potential problems with the engine, frame, or body, hidden damage and prior repairs, maintenance history, upcoming needs, and the overall safety and condition. The evaluator will be able to tell you if previous work has been completed that wasn't done properly. This might be something as simple as accessory modifications to something, or as extensive as improper service to the engine. The mechanic should take the car on a thorough test drive. Driving on hills, highways, and especially in the city, each offer unique perspectives into potential problems any vehicle can have. Now, with this information combined with a detailed history report, you should be able to tell if a car has ever sustained extensive damage or has missed a major maintenance item. You could use this estimate to negotiate a lower price if the car needs major work or previous maintenance has been pretty lackluster. Now, once you're committed to the idea of having an inspection done, you can now determine if you want to have a garage or a mobile evaluation. You could either have a mobile inspector come to look at the car, or you can drive it to a shop, or you can ask the seller to act on your behalf. Each option is going to have advantages and disadvantages. Now, mobile inspections are going to offer more convenience. The inspector can meet you at the office or the home and does the inspection right there on the site. They'll have the capability of taking photos and print out the report on the go. The higher cost of this routine is worthwhile if you're going to be short on time. Conversely, the mechanic won't get as good a look at the underside of your vehicle by simply jacking up and crawling underneath. Now, garage inspections involve the typical drive to the mechanic shop at a pre-scheduled time. Now, this allows them for a more detailed evaluation using specialized equipment. Now, in addition to this, the mechanic can put the car in a lift and properly see underside clearly. Now, most sellers are not going to have a problem with you getting an inspection from either avenue, but if they hesitate, you might want to reconsider buying this actual vehicle. The availability of the internet makes everything easier, including buying a car. Now, drivers now have access to thousands of makes and models that might not be available in their hometown, but online car buying opens the door to getting scammed on a car's true condition. With all these online sellers come plenty of potential problems, and that the buyer may not know about. From fraud paperwork to trouble, getting a vehicle inspection can help ease these concerns. Here's what you should do when you buy a car online. Ask for dozens of up-close pictures of the vehicle. Run a VIN check and a vehicle history report to gather important information. Ask the seller to have a pre-purchase inspection performed at an independent shop, and you can always offer to split the cost of these services if necessary. Now, arranging for a long-distance inspection isn't going to be as difficult as you might think. If you know where the car is, simply ask for them to recommend a reliable mechanic. If they don't have one, you can always contact a dealer in the area that specifically knows about the vehicle involved. And this should be one that is trusted to provide accurate details. Then contact the shop, arrange for the inspection at the buyer's timetable. If you pay for the inspection, you just make sure that the paperwork goes directly to you, not the buyer, to make sure you get all the accurate information. Now, conversely, if you plan on selling your vehicle, it may be worth the investment to have your vehicle inspected before you list it for sale. The inspection can help you fix anything ahead of time before a potential buyer looks at the vehicle. It can also be a tool to help you get top dollar for your vehicle and at a level of trust that the buyers are often willing to pay for. So how much is your peace of mind worth? Well, the answer is kind of obvious. You don't want to take unnecessary risks that put you in danger, and that's exactly how you should look at the notion of spending a small amount of money on a pre-purchase inspection. It operates as a form of insurance for your safety and the safety of your investment in a new vehicle. Now, of course, no inspection is guaranteed to find any problem or flaw that a used car has. With that said, a trained professional is capable of spotting all but the most minor of issues in only a few minutes. Even if the issues aren't deal breakers for you, they'll at least provide you enough information that you might be able to negotiate further on the price of the car. Best case, they could save you from buying a complete lemon. Now, we've mentioned a few services in this video, from inspection to a VIN check to a vehicle history report. We can't directly help with recommendations for specific garages or mobile mechanics in your area, but we can help with VIN checks and vehicle history report. Dirt Legal offers VIN checks and vehicle history reports to help you gather the facts before buying or selling a vehicle. Now, we can also help you obtain a new title and registration after you buy the vehicle, or for the buyer of your vehicle if you're the one selling. Now, click the links in the description below to visit dirtlegal.com and review our services, or give us a call at our 1-800 number. We're here to help keep you safe and avoid the big risks when it comes to buying or selling a vehicle. See you next time.